Today I'm going to try a cabbage and sausage recipe on the crock pot. So we'll see how it works out. I'll go ahead and get my ingredients ready. Cut the heart out. Chop the cabbage up. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but just chop it up into pieces is all you need to do. Put it in the crock pot. Go ahead and set it on low. Cut it up in quarters, chunks. Not too small though. Am I doing this right, Mike Chavez? Always see you slicing things up when you're cooking. I'm just learning how to cook, Mike, so you have to excuse me. I say what Juan Julio always used to say, I don't know what I'm doing. I miss old Juan Julio. He did know what he was doing, but he's always saying, I don't know what I'm doing. Get that cabbage cut up. And this will shrink and render down a little bit. Go ahead, put in a cup of chicken broth so it'll start flavoring it. And you want some liquid in there. And most of the recipes I see, you use chicken broth. And 2 or 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Get my onion peel cut up. Wow, that is a strong one there, boy. I'm already crying. Get the first couple of layers off. Wow, I should have worn goggles. Wow, this is some strong onion. Only going to put half of this in there. It'll cook down, render down though. Break it up. About a half of that large onion is enough. Lock it up in a seal tight position. I got tears in my eyes. I gotta take a break away from this onion slicing. I also like a lot of celery. So you just need to put in how much celery you like. Add my celery. It looks pretty full, but a lot of this is going to render down while it's cooking. Garlic powder to your taste. You put more in there than you think because it's going to get cooked out. I found that out while cooking. Put more in than you think. Black pepper to your taste. You can put whatever you want in there. Some people even put jalapenos and Cajun seasoning. Salt to your taste. That smells good without even starting to cook yet. Now I've seen on many recipes that they say put a whole stick of butter in there. And some of them say 1 to 3 tablespoons of butter. But I'm just going to put a whole gob of butter. Maybe it'll equal a stick or not, I don't know. But it's a gob. A gob of butter for buttery cabbage. Extra flavor. Gobs of goodness. I also put mushrooms in almost everything. So I'm going to put about a cup of mushrooms, Bella mushrooms. Whatever you want. You can add more if you like more mushrooms. So that's going to be a crock pot full of goodness. I'm going to go ahead and get my sausage ready, but I'm only going to put a little bit of it in at the beginning because I'm being lazy and this is fully cooked sausage. I'll put the rest in at about the last hour. This is Process. It's a local brand, pretty good. They've been making sausage for a long time. Family run business. smoked beef sausage. Good taste. That's all I'm going to put in there for now, just to add flavor. This is just the way I'm doing it right now, because it's, like I said, this is fully cooked. Got it set on low, cook it about 3 or 4 hours. Add the sausages later, like I said. Or you can cook your own sausage and then, add it in. Alright, come back after it's ready. Okay, I got about an hour left to go, so I'm going to go ahead and put in the cooked sausage. See if it's done in about an hour. If not, I'll cook it a little bit longer. Smells great. Okay, I've let it cook for 5 hours on low. It's done. Celery is done. Cabbage is done. Has a good buttery taste to it. Mushrooms are infused with all the flavor. Sausage is really tasty. It's really good. Tastes really good. I'm going to have to eat my supper now.